G'day guys and girls, and welcome back to the Armory. And today we've got a bit of an announcement. So if you've checked out our workshop tour video, you'll know that tools and upgrades is a big part of what we do here in the workshop. Now, the medieval armorers would have had to tackle the exact same problems, innovating with a lack of resources and the challenges that they faced. Nothing's changed, guys. In the 21st century here at IronCrown Workshop, we are encountering the same challenges. Now, if you just come over this way, you'll see that we've already got started on that process. Ooh, very interesting. Basically, what we want to do is create a new series, a series where you guys get to come into the workshop and have fun with us as we problem solve and plan and create these cool new innovations for this workspace. So without further ado, I want to announce our new series, Tooling Up. Check it out.